Hey there! Today I'm going to show you the world's smallest 3 LCD laser projector, Epson's EF-100 series laser home projectors. The new EF-100 series projectors are sleek performers that promise to give you a breathtaking visual experience. The classy white projector comes with soft silver accents, adding a sophisticated touch to any room. While the tailored black projector comes in a leather-like texture with prime copper trimmings. And it's effectively portable. Now, let us start the projector up real quick with the help of a step-by-step welcome guide. Epson's EF-100 series projector is capable of projecting up to 2,000 lumens of equal white and color brightness in normal mode. Thanks to its maintenance-free laser light source, the EF-100 series is flexible enough to do a 360-degree projection on any surface, giving you the freedom to either sit or lie back to enjoy your content in the comfort of your own home. Enjoy easy access to your content by simply plugging in an HDMI cable or a USB-powered streaming device into the projector's built-in USB port. It's now time to sit back, relax, and enjoy.